The University of Nairobi welcomes you to the virtual installation of the 8th Vice-Chancellor, Professor Stephen Gitahi Kiama.
I would like to congratulate Professor Kiama because this is a very high-class office.
I want to say that I'm so delighted to now be working with him. It's going to be exciting, and I'm looking forward to seeing him unroll his vision.
He has an open door policy, which we all really like. He's patient.
He has gained experience and wit and tact that will enable him, with the will of God and the support of all the staff and other stakeholders, to be able to discharge his mandate very successfully.
Follow the live event on the University of Nairobi website www.uonbi.ac.ke from 9 a.m. this Friday, the 5th of June 2020.